Hello designers! Today I'll show you 6 design mistakes in a kitchen with an island and how to fix them. Let's get started. The island is way too close to the counter, leaving barely any room to stand or open drawers comfortably. Leave at least 36 to 42 inches or about 90 to 105 centimeters of clearance on all sides. The island will feel open, comfortable, and functional. The pendant lights are off-center and too close to the edge of the island. Definitely uncomfortable to work under. Hang pendants about 30 to 36 inches or 76 to 91 centimeters above the countertop and center them over the island. If you have seating, position the lights closer to that area for better illumination. The island is placed across the width of the room instead of following the kitchen's main axis. Align the island with the length of the kitchen as it creates better flow and feels more natural with the space. The stovetop is on the outer side of the island away from the main counter, which breaks up the workflow. Move the working area to the inner side to form a proper triangle between the sink, stove, and fridge. It'll make cooking so much smoother. The countertop is flush with the cabinets, leaving no legroom for seating. Extend the countertop by at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters so you can sit comfortably and actually use the space. In a narrow kitchen, squeezing in a freestanding island just makes everything feel cramped. Try a peninsula instead. It attaches to one side, saving room, and still gives you extra counter space. There you go. Before you leave, here's a quick recap. Give it space. Leave enough clearance around your island for comfort and flow. Light it right. Center your pendants and hang them at the right height. Follow the flow. Align your island with the kitchen's main axis. Create a triangle. Keep your stove, sink, and fridge within easy reach. Leave room for legs. Add an overhang for comfortable seating. Think outside the box. In smaller kitchens, a peninsula can be the smarter choice. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video.